Dropshipping is a powerful business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. When customers order, your supplier ships directly to them, which means low startup costs and minimal ask. Shopify is one of the best platforms for beginners because it's easy to use and packed with tools tailored for dropshipping. To start, create a Shopify account by entering your email password and surname, then answer a few quick setup questions about your business. Next, choose a theme. For this tutorial, I will create a new Shopify store, then click skip for now, then next, or skip customize setup. Once you are inside, next, choose a theme. Click on online store, choose a theme. I recommend free options like tone or horizon. Just click customize, which are clean and mobile friendly. Customize your store's look using Shopify's intuitive theme editor. For product sourcing, install the DSRs. Go to App Store, click Add, then click Shopify App Store. Now search for DSRs and install the app. DSRs connects your Shopify store to AliExpress suppliers, making product import seamless. Click Login or Get started for new account. Then follow the process and link the supplier like AliExpress. When picking products to add, look for items that are low cost, lightweight, and have good order volume and positive reviews. These factors help improve your chances of making sales. Before adding products to your store, edit title from the search, descriptions, images, and prices. Write original customer friendly descriptions and price products at 2 to 3 times your cost to ensure a profit margin. Organize your products into collections like best sellers or by category. Go to Shopify store, go back to home, then click products, add product. Copy the title of your product from this search website and paste here. Then add description, add your product photos, category, etc. This makes browsing easier and enhances customer experience. Create essential pages such as About Us, Contact Shipping Policy, and Refund Policy. This build trust with visitors. Go to Themes, then click Customize, and here the Contact theme. You will add some product images, title from product section from here. Set up payment gateway by enabling Shopify payments like PayPal. Go to settings, then payments, choose provider like Visa card, one way, etc. Configure your shipping settings. I recommend flat rates and clearly communicate expected delivery times, typically 10 to 20 days when sourcing from AliExpress. Lastly, test your checkout process using Shopify's test payment feature to make sure everything works flawlessly before you go live. Once your store is live, go back to home. Once your store is live, managing orders is simple. Shopify notify you when a customer orders and through the search, you place the order with your supplier who ships directly to the customer. Tracking numbers sync automatically back to your store. Responsive, responsive customer services is critical. Be ready to answer questions about order shipping and returns. Even though you don't handle shipping yourself, marketing your store is key to success. Use paid ads on Facebook and Instagram by Meta Business Suite. Just log into your Facebook account, then click marketing, then add a new campaign. Keep an eye on Shopify Analytics to monitor traffic, sales, and customer behaviors. This helps you identify best selling products and optimize inventory. Use email marketing tools to nurture customers, send thank you emails, ask for reviews, and offer discounts to encourage repeat purchases. Remember, dropshipping takes patience. You will face challenges like slow shipping or supplier issues, but adapting and learning from competitors and communities will help you grow. To sum up, the journey involves setting up your store, sourcing and customizing products, configuring payment, configuring payments and shipping, marketing your brand, managing orders and continuously optimizing for growth. With consistent effort, you can build a sustainable dropshipping business in 2025. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.